Another flagship competitor, the Pixel 10. But is it really a tough competitor for flagships or just another smartphone? We will understand till the end of this video, so don't skip any part and subscribe to Gadget 360 for more such unbiased reviews. The Pixel 10 looks almost similar to the last year's Pixel 9. In design, there is no big difference, only this new camera is added जिसकी वजह से black part is extended in camera cutout and the SIM slot is shifted to the upper side. This phone comes with a glassy finish on the back and the frame is metallic. The glass back attracts fingerprint smudges a lot, so I recommend you buy a case with this phone. The phone looks premium and give you a good in-hand experience, which is expected from a 80,000 phone, of course. The buttons are so clicky and responsive and सभी controls आपको right hand side में ही मिलते हैं. The display bezels are slim, but selfie cutout के bezel थोड़े और slim हो सकते थे. The in-display fingerprint sensor works really fast. Pixel 10 comes with a 6.3-inch OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and you can really feel how responsive this display is. The display supports HDR content, and while binge watching, I don't feel any issues. The colors are rich and the blacks and whites are very nicely optimized. तो अगर आप anime या sci-fi movies ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं, then you won't complain. You enjoy all of this. And this reminds me that the Pixel 10 is even brighter. You get 3000 nits peak brightness and the display is even visible in outdoor condition. So overall, I can say that display is good for pro binge watchers and people who use social media a lot. Pixel 10 is a premium smartphone that should give you premium performance results, right? Test results are on your screen already and I know Antutu scores is a bit low, वहीं other flagship devices में आपको इससे ज़्यादा score मिल जाता है, but it's not about score, it's about real life performance and the Tensor G5 is designed to give you the best AI performance and battery output. All the AI features work super fast like Magic Q जो आपको relatively useful actions and details बता देता है और the best trick suggestion in the camera department so that you can save some time. Other than AI, this phone also gives you a good gaming experience. I tried BGMI, Genshin Impact and Asphalt and my experience was really nice. At the best graphic and frame rate settings, I get consistent 60 FPS while playing BGMI and Genshin Impact. Although device थोड़ा जल्दी heat up हो जाता है and थोड़ा means 30 to 45 minutes of gameplay, the device was heated up and after that you cannot use it for calling or gaming for a while. But the good part is that it cools down in just 5 to 10 minutes of a break. In multitasking and other heavy tasks, the phone does not lag. You can switch between apps काफी तेजी से and even the app opening is too smooth. Now one important point is the network connectivity. With the Pixel 10, I feel connectivity is good. Even underground metro में भी आपको अच्छी connectivity मिल जाती है. The Pixel 10 comes with triple rear camera setup this time. So you get 48 megapixel primary lens, 13 megapixel ultra wide lens and 10.8 megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and on the front side you get 10.5 megapixel selfie shooter. The rear camera can click impressive pictures in daylight. You can see the details clearly. Pictures are crisp and clear with good dynamic range and the shadows are also balanced so that you can see everything in the picture very clearly. Even if you take photos while moving, then you can also capture good pictures. In portrait mode, the Pixel 10 does not suffer in rear and selfie mode. The pictures are detailed, the colors are natural and it detects the edges perfectly. And if you go to edit option, you get these three options. Now you can choose any of them to make your image much better. The low light result is also good. You can see all the details in the pictures without grains. In the camera, you get this best take option which is very useful अगर आपको भी और ऑप्शंस की तलाश रहती है तो. Selfies from this phone are superb. I mean clear, crisp and detailed selfies आती हैं. You can see the skin tone is natural in all pictures, so I think you don't need to edit any photos. You can post them directly to the Instagram. Another useful feature in the camera is Camera Coach, which can guide you to take better and variety of shots in case you need them. With Pixel 10, you can record videos up to 4K 60 FPS, but as you switch to 60 FPS from 30, you will see कि speech enhancement and HDR का option unavailable हो जाता है. Well, if we talk about the video result, then the video output is good. You can use it to record cinematic videos for your product shoot as well. But yes, while using the camera for long period of time, you will notice that the phone starts heating up. Pixel 10's battery. I know this is important for you. The Pixel 10 comes with 4970 mAh battery that supports 30 watt wired charging. This time, Pixel introduced Pixel Snap, which is magnetic wireless charging support. And if you are an iPhone user, then you will feel it more like MagSafe. The magnet is powerful. If you connect, तो आसानी से detach नहीं होता है. I used my 25 watt PD charger to charge this phone, and it charges from 0 to 100% in just 1 hour 50 minutes. But again, this phone supports 30 watt wired charging. So I'm sure using 30 watt charger will reduce the charging time. After charging this phone 100%, I use this device continuously for all my works, and it gives me almost 1 day of output when I use the power saving mode after 15%. If you are a moderate user who doesn't play many games and uses phone only for social media and calling, then this phone can last with you for more time. Pixel 10 costs 79,999 rupees, means 80,000. If you want a flagship Android phone with a superb display, amazing camera result for pro level camera work, and good performance for gaming and AI uses, then this phone is a good option for you. But yes, the slightly low battery backup might disappoint a little. Well, what are your thoughts about this phone? Do let us know in the comment section, and subscribe Gadget 360 for more such unbiased reviews.